Bit of poutine here today. We're having frozen fries, cheese curds, packaged gravy, gluten-free for my buddies that are gluten tolerant, salt. I'm going to put them in these great containers. I love to blanch my own French fries. Today, I just happen to have frozen fries we're using. Get those in the deep fryer. Get these rolling. One thing that's critical is that gravy needs to be bubbling hot. Got to melt those cheese curds. Fries are done. We'll shake them off. Get those fries right into that bowl, into that coarse salt right on top. Get it on, let it stick to that, stick to those fries. And this is a layered event. What we want to do is we want to get some fries, layer of fries. Then we want cheese curds, lots of cheese curds. And then another big layer of fries on top of that. Don't worry about the bit of a mess. Squat it down a little. Some more of those cheese curds. And then boiling hot gravy. Gravy's got to be hot. We got to melt that cheese. The hardest part now is to wait. This needs to set up. This needs to melt. This needs to mingle, all get together, and then we're going to mix it around and dig in. All we want to do now is we want to get in here and stir this around. Blanch your own fries, cut your own fries. It doesn't matter. As long as you're enjoying what you're eating, it's perfect. Today, packaged everything, and look at the reward. The only way to have poutine is in one of these containers. Changes the experience.